Importing contacts into HubSpot through CSV files is the most common method for bulk data transfer. Understanding the proper file format and requirements ensures successful imports every time. Your CSV file must meet specific technical requirements. The file should be UTF-8 encoded to support international characters, stay under 512 megabytes in size, and include column headers in the first row. Here's what a properly formatted CSV file looks like. Notice the clear column headers and organized data structure that HubSpot can easily process. The email address serves as the primary unique identifier for contacts. This field is crucial for preventing duplicates and enabling proper contact management within HubSpot. Additional essential fields include first name, last name, company name, and phone number. For phone numbers, always include country codes to ensure proper formatting and international compatibility. Recent platform updates have significantly improved the import experience. HubSpot now features an enhanced import interface with step-by-step guidance and real-time validation to help prevent errors. Import limits have been dramatically increased. Standard accounts can now import up to 1 million contacts per file, while enterprise accounts support up to 5 million records, a significant improvement from previous limitations. For successful imports, maintain consistent data formatting across all columns. This includes standardized date formats, consistent naming conventions, and proper data validation before upload. These practices minimize import errors and ensure clean data integration. HubSpot's import process includes both automatic and manual property mapping. The system uses AI to suggest property matches, showing confidence scores to help you make the right decisions. For manual mapping, you can map columns to existing HubSpot properties or create new custom properties during the import process. This flexibility allows you to preserve all your important data. Deduplication prevents duplicate contacts in your database. HubSpot offers 4 main strategies: email-based matching, custom unique identifiers, name plus company matching, and phone number matching. When duplicates are found, you can choose from 4 merge behaviors: update existing records with new data, skip existing records entirely, always create new records, or use Smart Merge to fill only empty fields. Proper deduplication significantly improves email deliverability. Clean contact lists with fewer duplicates result in better sender reputation, higher open rates, and reduced bounce rates.